If you've ever added games to your Steam wishlist and then later wondered where to find them, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to view wishlisted items on Steam in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy guide, and once you know where to look, you can get back to browsing, shopping, and checking out your favorite games much faster. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the Steam client or the Steam website, look at the top menu bar and hover over the store option. When you do that, a drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down, click on Wishlist. This will take you directly to your wishlist page, where you can see all of the games you've saved for later. From here, you can browse through everything you've added, review the titles, and decide which ones you want to buy. If you're ready to purchase a game, you can add it to your cart and proceed to checkout just like you normally would. This is especially useful during Steam sales, when you want to quickly check what's in your wishlist and grab any discounted games before the offer ends. And that's it. You now know how to view wishlisted items on Steam. It only takes a moment once you know where to go, and it makes managing your game list much easier. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.